Go to Porvorim. Difficult to see a Goan, you can see Nepalis only there. The 800 applications that went from one this address, one online. On 20th March, according to him, a complaint has been lodged by his people. Entire staff in the Mamladar's office, where this registration is going on, is under the revenue minister. या लास्ट 7 वर्सांक जोरीतोर इल्लीगल वोटिंग वाढला, गोंयकारपणाचे वाढला जाल्यार 2 मतदारसंघांत, एक म्हापसा आनी एक पर्वरी.
आचारसंहिता धड्यार मारून खंय बीजेपीचे सरकाराचे काम चल्लां. नवो PWD मंत्री सगळ्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरांक आपल्या ऑफिसात आपोवन कामां करात म्हूण सांगता. उमेदवार आशिल्ले दोगूय खासदार सरकारी गाडयो घेवन भोंवतात.
PWD minister now, 2 days ago, called all his officers, engineers, in his office using the official premises is again a violation of code of conduct. Official premises can be used only for routine work. Directions have been given to contractors and engineers to go ahead with the works without tender of those estimates which are approved. You can appoint 10 deputy chief ministers. Again, they have appointed deputy chief minister. So what is happening? The North Goa candidate filed his nomination of the BJP. The South Goa candidate filed his nominations of the BJP. Ministers have travelled by official cars there. कितें हें चल्लां?
सरकारान सुभाष शिरोडकराची जमीन एक्वायर केल्या आनी वेंचणूक आचारसंहिता आसतना सुभाष बीजेपीचो उमेदवार म्हूण वेंचणुकेक देंवला आसतना ताच्या बँक खात्यांत सरकारान पयशे घाल्यात. इलेक्शन जायसर ताचे खातें सीज करचें म्हूण काँग्रेस मागता.
आनी आमचे म्हायती प्रमाणे आमी इलेक्शन ऑफिसाक कळयलां, मनीज आर बीइंग ट्रान्सफर्ड इनटू दॅट अकाउंट ऑफ दॅट कॉम्पेन्सेशन. दिस इज एन एब्सोल्यूट violation, direct violation of the model code of conduct. जी पैसे त्या खात्यान गेल्या 10 मार्चा नंतर ते ताबडतोब इलेक्शन कमिशनान सीज करूंक जाय. कॅन नॉट बी अलाउड टू बी युज्ड.
दक्षिण गोंयांत लोकसभेची तिकेट दिवंक ना म्हूण प्रतिमा कुतीनो बेजार. मात दिल्ल्या नेतृत्वा खातीर काम करपाक ती खंय तयार.
Till date, I had never asked for a ticket. Though 23 years, I had never asked for a ticket. I had already said that when I'm matured enough and when I think that I've done enough of work, that is the time I will demand for a ticket. And that is the work I had done as a Youth Congress President and Mahila Congress, and I demanded a ticket. So I'm also waiting to ask the leadership, because it should be transparent, to know how many votes the candidates, it may be me or Francis Sardina.
आता किती फायदा असतो?
फायदा असो नसो, पण फॉर माय सॅटिस्फॅक्शन आय वॉन्ट टू नो, बिकॉज वी हॅड डन द हायेस्ट मेंबरशिप.
ना प्रतिमा, तू आता सांगले की आम्ही काम करतले म्हणते.
काम करतले सर.
चालेल ते माहिती.
वर्क वी विल डू, बट वी वुड सिंस जुडिओ इज आर, आय वुड लाइक टू टेल यू.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.